Hello students, welcome to the second part of the chapter fractions and decimals. Now we will discuss about simplest form of fraction. When we can say that a fraction is in its simplest form. When numerator and denominator both are not divisible by the same numbers, then we can say that the fraction is in its simplest form. It means that I have said that when numerator and denominator of a fraction both are not divisible by the same number, then that fraction is it in simplest form. Here you can see that 45 upon 105, and please tell me that numerator and denominator both are not divisible by the same numbers. Please think. Of course yes, both are divisible by the same numbers, and that number is 5. 45 is divisible by 5. 5 9s are 45, and 105 21 times. So we have got 9 upon 21. Please check it again. Both the numerator and denominator both are divisible by same numbers. Yes, you are right. Again it is divisible by the same numbers. That number is 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21. Now you check. Numerator and denominator both are divisible by any same number? No, both are not divisible by any same number. 3 is divisible by 3 and 7 is divisible by 7. So we can say that 3 upon 7 is the simplest form of 45 upon 105. So this is the concept of simplest form of fraction. One more example I am giving you. Suppose I am writing here 22 upon 10. Please tell me that both the numbers are divisible by any same number. Yes, of course, both the numbers, both numerator and denominator, both are divisible by the same number 2. 2 11 times, 2 5 times. Now you can say that 11 upon 5. Now both numerator and denominator both are divisible by same numbers? No, they are not divisible by same numbers. 11 is divisible by 11 and 5 is divisible by 5. So we can say that it is in simplest form. The next concept is equivalent fractions. What are equivalent fractions? When two fractions are equal in its simplest form, then both the fractions are equal. Suppose I am giving you example 2 upon 4 and 12 upon 24. 12 upon 24. Both are equivalent fractions or not? How to check it? First of all, we will simplify 2 upon 4. We will simplify 2 by 4. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 by 2. And again we will simplify this. 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 1 by 2. So you can see that 2 by 4, when we are simplifying 2 by 4, it is coming 1 by 2. And again when we are simplifying 12 upon 24, again it is coming 1 by 2. So we can say that both the fractions are equivalent fractions, means 2 by 4 is equal to 12 upon 24. Why both are equivalent? Because both are having the equal value when we are simplifying it. So this is the concept of equivalent fractions. Next one is like fraction. Like fraction. What is like fraction? When two or more fractions are having the same denominator, they are said to be like fractions. Suppose 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8. So these kind of fractions are known as like fractions when the denominators are same. Unlike fractions, what are unlike fractions? Very easy. When the denominators are not same, then they are unlike fractions. Examples: 2 by 7, 3 by 8, 6 by 11. So you can see here that all the denominators are not equal. Then we can say that these are unlike fractions. Next topic is comparison of two fractions. Comparison of two fractions. How to compare two fractions? So there are two methods to compare two fractions. First one is cross multiplication method and second one is LCM method. So first of all, I will discuss cross multiplication method. Suppose 3 by 4 and 5 by 12 is given. How to compare that, which one is greater? Comparison means which fraction is greater. So here we are having two fractions to compare, 3 by 4 and 5 by 12. How to compare that, which one is greater? The first method is cross multiplication method. So 3 by 4 and 5 by 12. How to do cross multiplication? We'll put one arrow from downside to upside, and this side also downside to cross upside. Now we will multiply 12 into 3 and write here 12 3s are 36 and 4 5s are 20. So you can see that which one is greater, 36 is greater or 20? You can see 36 is greater. So if 36 is greater means which fraction is greater? 3 by 4. So we can write 3 by 4 is greater than 5 by 12. So this is the method of comparing two fractions. One more method is there. That method is known as LCM method. With the help of LCM method also we can find out that which fraction is greater. So I'm discussing here LCM method. 3 by 4, 5 by 12. What we will do? We'll take the LCM of 12 and 4. Of course 12. So 12 divided by 4 3 times, 3 3s are 9. 12 divided by 12 one time, 1 into 5 5. So you can see that 9 and 5, which one is greater? 9 is greater. 9 is greater means this part is greater. So again we can see that 3 by 4 is greater than 5 by 12. So I have discussed here two methods. First one is cross multiplication method and second one is LCM method. You can use any one method while comparing two fractions. We can come when more than two fractions are there, then how to compare them? Then again we can use LCM method. In that case we cannot use cross multiplication, and that I'll cover in my next video. Thank you.